Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you which settings you have to change when you start up Blender with Octane for the first time, because this is really important. Your colors in your renders will look slightly off if you don't make these settings, and you actually have to activate Octane inside the Blender Octane version before you even can use the render engine with Blender. So the first thing you have to do is go to Edit, go down to Preferences and click on Add-ons. And in here you have to search for Octane. And as you can see right here, there is the Octane render add-on, and we have to check this little box and then go down to this left corner, and then we have to say Save Preferences. So if you have done this, the Octane add-on is already active, but now we have to change the render engine we want to use to Octane. And we can do this here on the right side. Go down to this Render Properties tab. And under Render Engine, you have to change it from Eevee or Cycles to Octane. Okay, so far so good, but now we have to change some color options in order for our renders to look right. So to do that, we have to go down to the Render Properties again. And inside this tab, we have to scroll down all the way till we get to the bottom, where it says Color Management, and we have to open this Color Management tab. And under here, we have to change the display device to sRGB, the view transform to raw, the look to none, and the rest of the settings should be as seen in the tutorial here. And that's not all. Now we have to change the settings in our viewport. So we go into our viewport, the big window we have open, and we press N to bring up the side panel. And in here you can see that we have these 4 tabs, and we have to go to the Octane tab down here. And under here you can see that Octane Camera Imager is already checked. So you check this, and then you have to go down and check Override as well. And only then the rendered image will look exactly as the rendered image inside of your viewport. That is really important. Another thing you should do now, in my opinion, is to go down to File, Defaults, and Save Startup File, in order for these settings to already are applied each time you open up Blender with Octane again. So that's it for this video. I hope I could help you out. For many people starting up Blender with Octane for the first time, this is quite a complicated process because you often don't know what the problem is. Why is my rendered image so different to the image I see rendered in my viewport? So I hope I could help you. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like on the video. See you next time and have fun with Blender and Octane.